Hey, what's up YouTube? In this quick video, we're going to be comparing the iPhone XS Max against the iPhone X, and specifically we're going to be comparing the cellular connectivity speed on the T-Mobile network. Now, why the T-Mobile network in particular? Well, just last year they launched a new LTE band. It's band 71 on the 600 megahertz LTE spectrum. And this iPhone, the XS Max, as well as the XS, as well as the XR in the future, are the first iPhones to support this band for T-Mobile. Now, overall, the XS Max supports a variety of new LTE bands, and one way we can test this in America is with T-Mobile. Now, this is the article that actually spawned this idea, but it was talked about briefly in the 2018 iPhone conference by Apple. But basically, T-Mobile is super stoked because you're not only supposed to get better cellular connectivity, but also better download speeds. So I'm going to start this video off by running a speed test on the iPhone X, again on the T-Mobile network, just to get a base comparison to see exactly what type of speeds I'm getting where I'm at. So I'm just using Oakley Speed Test. It's a free app on the App Store if you guys want to download this and check it out yourselves. But so far we've got 37.7 as our download speed. Again, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. This is entirely over my cellular network. So once the test completed, again, just to get a base model of where I'm coming from with my iPhone X, we have a download speed of 37.7 and an upload speed of 13.7 megabytes. Again, I'm entirely on my cellular network, so let's go ahead and pop the SIM out of this phone right here and take a look at what these speeds are on the iPhone XS Max. Again, the XS and XS Max, as well as the XR, all support these new bands. This is actually the very first time I'm putting my SIM card in my iPhone XS after unboxing it, and that's really interesting. It looks like the SIM card is actually going in upside down now on these new models. That's a really interesting little thing to note there. But anyway, now that we have our SIM card in, I'm just going to click update on the carrier settings. Like I said, this should only happen once. This is the very first time I'm putting a SIM card in this new phone, so I'll just give it a second to register for service, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are. We have service now with T-Mobile, so let's go ahead and do the exact same test. I'm going to disable my Wi-Fi connection real fast, and then I'm going to open up speed test. So there we go. Going to start this test. Again, if you guys want to check out some of the videos we did yesterday, they were pretty awesome as well. I did a video unboxing this phone, as well as some of the top things to do right when you finish unboxing and setting it up. Tanner also unboxed the gold iPhone XS, as well as the Apple Watch Series 4. And now we're back at it again today, bringing you guys this awesome video. Now, as a comparison, our download speed so far is looking pretty great. That's a good 10 to 20% boost. Not sure what happened with the upload speed right there. I'm going to go ahead and run this test one more time just to see if anything changes. But in any case, it looks like our download speed is looking pretty dang epic. We're getting roughly the same score as we did last time. So weird results. Again, pretty much had the same exact result. We had a faster download speed, but a slower upload speed for whatever reason on the iPhone XS on T-Mobile. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick speed test video. Here are the results side by side. As for download speed, we had 48.5 versus 37.7. And for the upload speed, we had 9.45 versus 13.7. So very interesting results with the iPhone XS versus the iPhone X on T-Mobile. You would think the upload and download speeds would go either up or down conjointly, not be mix-matched like this. But in any case, this is what the test came out to be. These are the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see future content about the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR in the near future. Anyway, don't forget to check out the article linked below. Let me know who is your carrier provider. I'm curious to see how many users of the iPhone XS are actually running on T-Mobile. It's actually the first phone to sell out on Apple's website on pre-order day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, but until next time, this is Tony, signing out.